1 week later.
What is good, y'all? YD here, back with another video showing y'all the update on my plants. They went through some hardships, man. When I took the humidity dome off, they didn't like it. Some of them didn't trip, as you can see. They look, they okay. These guys on there, these are my sunflowers. They didn't like it too well, but as you can see, they still standing up and they bouncing back. So I'm gonna let them do their thing. Everything else looks good, man. Got look like our onions, our carrots, or whatever growing up here. Same with over here. You can see them real little and small. Sorry about the dirt on the ground here. This was an emergency tent that I put them in. I'm supposed to have got them in the ground by now, or at least getting started to put them in some dirt. Other than this, they're a little bigger, more space. But it's coming soon, Broccoli over here, I'm gonna get that outside. Aloe over here, I'm gonna get that outside. So far, man, everything looking cool, man. It's a process, y'all, it's a process. Just wait on it.
3 days later.
What is good, y'all? YD here, back with another video for the Herbology show, and I'm showing y'all some plants I went and picked up, y'all. And today is the day we about to get everything potted and put outside, and then even our stuff that we got in the tent, we about to get that out there too. But let me show y'all what we got so far. Our first one, we got sweet potatoes. Never grew sweet potatoes before. I decided to grab some and let's see what we can do with them. And over here we got mammoth jalapenos, giant jalapeno peppers. We can grow some and we can probably make some what they call them, jalapeno poppers or something like that with those. And y'all can tell by this one, we got strawberries again. We're starting small this time, and we're gonna grow it up, see what we can do. And then our last one, we got another pepper, Tabasco. Yep, we're gonna make some more hot sauce this year. And then we got everything that we got in the tent. So let's go ahead and get into it. But first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our buckets, and I'm going to poke holes in the bottom of the bucket. How about the dog? Maybe the dog is going crazy. Yeah, we're gonna poke holes in the bottom bucket so we can have good drainage. I already did it in this one, but I also have some extra stuff I'm gonna add into it. Like I got sticks from my previous grow and leaves and stuff that I can add into the mix of what we're gonna do here. But first, let's go ahead and poke some holes in it and let's get to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put like a small layer of sticks and leaves at the bottom before I put my dirt. Like a little layer of extra drainage, and compost will help with the fertilizer and nutrients and stuff like that.
A few moments later.
All right, we got our watermelon in a little home. I know it seems a little snug right now, but as they grow, they're gonna start vining out and coming outside of the bucket and trying to find stuff to grasp on as they grow, and they'll have plenty of space. Just got to keep them away from each other a little bit. But other than that, this one's done, and on to the next. Next up, we got our broccoli. See how long it is? We're gonna bury this thing up to dang near close to the next node. Look how long that is. Because if not, it's gonna lean over just like this as it grows. We don't want that. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bury it deep down as long as that. But let's get it going.
A few moments later.
All right, so far I want to show you guys my progress. Got most of the plants in their homes, and while I was in the backyard, I was seeing what was dead, and most of my strawberries are coming back. They're still alive from last year. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our new strawberries together with our old strawberries in the same pot and let them do their thing, and we should have more strawberries. But let's get back into it.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, so this is the finished product right here. Everything is planted, and I went ahead and gave them a little bit of moisture to get them going, give them some wiggle room. We'll come back and check on them tomorrow, see how they do. If they fare tonight, they should be all right. If they don't fare tonight, means they got to get acclimated a little bit. And the only ones I'm worried about faring tonight is my ones that's been in the house growing in the tent. So, because as you see, they didn't like the when I took the humidity dome off. These are my sunflowers. I took the humidity dome off. They didn't like that too much, and some of them kind of shriveled up with the leaves because of the, you know, the amount of the humidity that they were used to getting. They wasn't getting, but they outside now. They got natural humidity. They should be okay. So we're gonna see how everything goes. Yep. I'm really worried about broccoli here. Broccoli, I don't know. Broccoli a little older, but it's been in tent longer than everything else. It's been in tent all in the last year and everything. So we're gonna see how everything goes. Kind of excited to see how they do over the night, but get with y'all later, man. What is good, y'all? YD here, back with another video. This is our second day to see how everything took to the replanting. First, we got our sweet potatoes, and they look to be doing excellent. They're getting tall. I could tell they're already growing. Let's come over here to our melons. So when I'm looking at my melons, I'm not really looking at these. These is what they call the Catalina leaves. These are the leaves that they first grow when they come out the seed, and it's like kind of like how like a fish or something will have an egg sac and they'll feed off of that. It's kind of like that. These leaves feed nutrients to the plant. I'm more worried about this leaf right here. That's all I'm worried about. The main leaves, I'm not worried about these because they're gonna shrivel up anyway. They all gonna shrivel up anyway eventually once the nutrients is gone out of it. So as far as these goes, the Catalinas are already shriveled up and used. We got new growth, it look like. Main plants are looking good. Some big old Catalinas on this thing, look at that. But everything looks good. This is my broccoli. Broccoli looking good. It's kind of trying to reposition itself. As you can see, it's trying to reposition so it can stand back up because it was at an angle for a while because the way it was growing in a tent. Scoot back a little bit. These ones, can't tell what they were, but we'll find out. They didn't make it, but this seems like to be okay. This is our onion. Our onion seems to be okay, but these are no good. Our sunflowers, they hanging in there still. We're gonna see if we get some new growth on the plants. I can kind of see some new growth coming in. See a little leaf in the middle coming in. The middle leaves is the one I'm worried about. The new leaves coming in. Not worried about these old ones because the old ones can get trimmed. The new ones can come. Our peppers are looking good. Peppers are looking good. Like they took real well. Our strawberries are looking good. This one got another flower in. Waiting on this one to get some flowers. The old strawberries that we had from last year. These are new strawberries. Let's see. I can't really tell. These look like they doing good, but only time will tell. We'll see. They look like they're doing good though. They're not dying or laying down, I should say. This is my son's plant that he brought from school. These are doing pretty good. Our aloe plant that we replanted, put it outside, our baby, looks like it's doing good. Everybody has to get used to this outside, so the ones that look bad, they're gonna get better. Early in the morning too, the sun hasn't even just hit this side of the house yet. And it will, and when it do, they're gonna soak up all that good sun. And then we're gonna test the dirt later. See, right now the dirt looks good. It's mulch too, so it kind of keeps the moisture, keep it moist below a little longer than normal. But everything looks good all in all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Till next time.
3 days later.
What is good, y'all? YD here, back with another video. Everybody is looking good. Seems like everybody's well integrated. Since the weather's been nice lately, should be no more cold for a while. It's supposed to be like up to the 90s coming up here. So just gonna make sure, keep everybody watered. And since our substrate is kind of mulchish, should somewhat help out with keeping some of the moisture below. My broccoli is looking good. I'm just glad it survived on the inside, man, so that way we can take it outside. So now we just got to keep it growing. But it looks good though, and it's starting to redirect itself a little bit. As you can see, you got a curve in it, but it's trying to redirect itself back towards the light. These little guys that's growing too. Sunflowers are still growing, even though they're a little somewhat hurt. So the leaves got a little shriveled up from when taking off the little humidity dome I had. Took a little blow, but it'll be all right. Peppers is doing okay. Flowers just bloomed on our strawberries. Our other strawberries ain't really done nothing yet, so I'm just gonna give them some time anyways. Let everybody grow, give them some time. Probably won't check back on these guys for a minute. Let them do their thing. But all in all, everything looks good so far. So good.